Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love From Bright Colorful makeup. I love indie makeup. I love doing color stories that probably don't go together. You know, I like to be different. But if you're new here, I would love to have you subscribe. But if you do, if you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoyed our small bit of time together. Today we are playing with the Unearthly Don't Be Jelly palette. I've had her in my collection. She's kind of just been collecting dust. I finally pulled her out and decided to play with her today. And I ended up creating this gorgeous look right here. So, you know, all the products that I use and are mentioned in this video will be linked down below along with maybe timestamps, we'll see. But if you would like to see how I got this look, then let's get into it. What's up, bitches? You missed me? It's been a minute. This keeps happening. It is what it is. Life has been lifing. Life has been confusing. But also has gone back to normal. Shani will probably be mad. But yeah. So I've kind of been spending time at the man's house. we're just, life is lifey. Okay, but anyways, who gives a shit? We're going to be playing with the Unearthly Don't Be a Jelly palette. I got this a hot minute ago, and I haven't played with it. It's kind of just been sitting on my shelf and collecting, you know, some dust. But we're going to play with this bad boy here today. I'm going to get glam. I'm going to be pretty for work. And I'll be fine. Look at all this growth. Look at this. I never used to be able to grow hair over here. And it's happening. So I'm proud of that. But anyways, let's get into this. Okay, so to prime my eyes, as always, I'm going to use the REM Beauty Sweetener Concealer in Fair to End and then set it with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Translucent Powder. Okay, so I'm really wanting to play with this like sea urchin shade, this one right here called Coral, and a little bit of this like sea foam type shade, and maybe like that. I don't really know. This is just kind of the vibe that I'm wanting to go with here. We'll see how it goes. A lot of the times I say that I'm going to do something and then it never ends up, you know, going that way because she's indecisive. She can't decide. I have a lot of things planned, and I have always had a lot of things planned for this. Like, especially now that it's fall and it's like the best time of the year and all the good palettes. I'm going to hope that I can get on it and do stuff. It's just really hard to be productive when you don't want to be productive. But I think I'm going to start and go in with that coral shade right there. And I'm going to use my Refer 14 here to just plop that into the crease type area. So I'm going to just plop it right into like right here and here. I really want to bring that sea urchin shade in here. So I'm just going to start placing that coral shade right in here. Bring it up in here even. You know, just kind of messily plop it around for right now. But I hope you guys know that I absolutely love doing this. I need to find the motivation. I absolutely love and adore my boyfriend. I'm over there a good bit, and I don't want to keep any of my stuff over there like this. So it's hard to, you know, find time to do this. Especially like, it's the first week of school around here, so work is a lot and the kids are a lot and everything's just an adjustment, you know, for everybody. So I think like after this week, I'll probably be able to, you know, get back into doing things. But I just plopped that out into the outer corner, into the crease, and then just dragging whatever is left on this brush forward here. We're gonna still go on with this brush because reduce, reuse, recycle. I will freaking clean my brushes next week. I'll have time. Tomorrow I'm going out with my friend for her 21st, which I'm gonna get this up maybe today. I can maybe get this up today. Today's Thursday. We'll see. We'll see. But I'm gonna go in with that sea urchin shade right there. Still taking that on this Refer 14. Tapping off that excess and then just plopping it into here. Maybe this is too big of a brush for this. I don't know. But I'm just popping it into this space right here and blending it out. I'm going to go in with one of my Unearthly brushes to blend it out more because it's just an amazing blender, but I'm kind of just using this to get, you know, the groundwork, the base work, the, you know, the blueprint of it before I seamlessness it. Boom. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Unearthly UC87 brush. This is my go-to frickin' blending brush. I got this in the Unearthly this year's mystery box. Their mystery boxes are always amazing, so if they ever have some, get your ass on it. But I'm just going to take that and I'm just going to blend those two shades here together. This is the one that I was talking about where I was like, this is the blending brush. She is that bitch. Okay. Fun fact, I've been sick for like a hot minute and it's still just like not going away at all. It's fun. But I'm going to switch into my rougher 26 here. We're going to still go in with that dark purple sea urchin shade. And I'm just going to stretch it forward here a little bit along the lash line. I love how I say a little bit and then I go along the whole lash line. But just stretching it this way. But I'm just still taking a little bit more of that sea urchin shade and just darkening up here. Like I said, I want some smokiness. I want, you know. I'm just going to go back in with that Unearthly and blend that part right here in. You can tell it's a good filming day because usually I have to sit here and like press and pause my filming and I'm just like scooting like right through. It's a good day. Okay, so I really want to use like that shimmer right there, that luminescence one, and that brine one right there. But I'm also wanting to put a little bit of this in there. So maybe we'll put a little bit of that. Then we'll plop that freaking shit over it. But I'm also like, all the shimmers in this are just super gorgeous. And I kind of just want to like, but I don't know. I'm going to go in with my rougher O2. It's a little like kind of like a packer brush. And I'm going to go in with that seafoam shade. You can't beat a seafoam shade. I love a good seafoam. It's just, yeah. Also, if you hear things in the background, it is absolutely freaking gorgeous out. Minnesota, you're killing it right now. It's gorgeous. Yeah, I'm going to be taking that seafoam shade and I'm just be plopping it into this open space right in here. This is the look I should have done with my Beauty Bay Botanical palette. I'm still going to play with that and do more looks with that, but this is the vibe I should have done. I'm just taking that and kind of blending it out, but filling in that space right there. That's gorgeous. I love this already. I'm killing it today. It's a good freaking day, okay? I'm in a good mood. Things are going good. Things are going back to what they should be, what they have been. You know, I'm happy. I'm happy. And that's all that matters. But I'm just plopping that into here. I do want it, you know, a little bit of a... We'll just maybe blend it out a little bit here. Y'all, this is gorgeous. And the lighting, really, there had to be clouds right now? Rude. Okay, so I think I'm going to go over that with that brine shade right there. I'm going to take that on my Refer 21, my go-to shimmer brush. And just plop that on over that right in here. I'm not taking it anywhere else except for where we put that seafoam shade. I promise I will get working to do more Mishmash Mondays. I'm gonna be doing stuff, okay? I promise. I know I keep saying that, but I promise. I promise, okay? I love doing this. I love being a part of this. Like, this is a lot of fun. I love doing YouTube. And I just need to, you know, it's not like I'm like getting burnt out from it. I need to find a way to balance everything that I want to do in my life. And I think that's a good way to put it. So, good job for me. I'm going to take a little bit of this jellyfish shade right here. And maybe a little bit of this sea space shade. It's maybe a little bit duochromy. I can't necessarily tell. Maybe. But just these two. And I want to put it just right in here. Not bring it all the way out because I do want to keep out here matte. So I'm going to go in first with that sea space shade right there. Still taking it on that Refer 21 that I've been using because why not? And we're just going to take that and plop that right here. And I'll blend those two in. If you know anything about me, I'm a shimmer lover. I love to shine. But yeah, just taking that and then cleaning that brush off and blending those two together a little. And maybe going back in with a little bit more of that brine shade just to, you know, I don't necessarily want to lose it. This is turning out super pretty. Okay, I'm thinking we're gonna go in this inner corner area, and I'm gonna put more in later because it's, again, I'm me. But we're gonna go in with that, like a mix of this luminescence and Hydrospace. So we're gonna start with luminescence here, and I'm gonna take that on my Refer 03 here. And we're just gonna plop that into here. And try to get a tad bit into that brine shade. Ooh, guys, this is a lot of fun. Just taking that and sort of dragging it up into everything, blending it in. You know? Y'all, I hate that the clouds are like popping up when I'm wanting to show you, but this is so freaking gorgeous. I love it. I think I'm going to go in with my Unearthly UC87 again and just, you know, going to go do the rest of my makeup. We'll come back for blush, highlight, lip, details, all that good stuff. I'll be back. Okay, hi, hello, I am back. Let's go over a little bit of details. I think I'm gonna leave, this is like my natural lip color, so I think I'm gonna leave it at this, to be quite perfectly honest with you. Just because it's kind of a vibe. Okay, so for bronzer, I went in with this REM Beauty Satin Matte Bronzer in Blazed. It looks like this. Then I went in with this Unearthly blush in Nirvana. It's a liquid blush. I think it was from this year's Valentine's Day collection. I think it might be their only blush currently. I don't know for sure. It is what it is. But then I went in with the Blend Bunny Juicy Cheeks palette. I went in with this shade right here called Ripe. You know, just, you know, this purple up here. Why not include it? And then I went in with the Blend Bunny Not to Lucent palette. And I went in with Far Out, this purple one right here, and then Transient, the green one. And I kind of just, you know, plopped that all over the face. So I'm thinking we're going to go in with the under eye now. We're going to finish this bitch off. I think I'm going to go in with this Refer 23. It's a pretty small brush here. And I'm going to go in with a little bit of that coral shade to start with right there. And we're going to plop that into right here, this inner space right here. Not going all the way forward and not going all the way that way, just right in here. Because we're going to kind of do what we did up above. Minus the green. So after cleaning that brush off a little bit, I'm going to dip it into that Sea Urchin shade right there. And we're going to take that into this outer edge right here and sort of blend it up into what is up there and then down here. So now that I have that, I'm going to go in with my Refer 03. It's just a little bit bigger than that one. And I think I'm going to go in with that luminescence shade right there. And plop that into the inner corner here. So maybe I could do a more like darker lip, but I'm kind of just vibing with my natural lip color for right now. So I think that is what I'm going to keep it at. But let me take you for a little look, a little up close reconnoiter, as Jan would say, at this look. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. It is so pretty. I find this absolutely gorgeous. The shimmers are just, they're shimmering and they're doing what they're supposed to be doing. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm a little bit mad that it's taken me this long to play with this palette, but I absolutely love it. No surprise, it's Unearthly and I love and adore them. But yeah, this is so gorgeous. I love it. A couple updates. I have some Bella Beauté Bar palettes I'm going to be playing with sometime soon. Another Gourmand Girls. Yeah, I have a lot of goodies because I have some like Glamlit Halloween collabs type stuff that I have sitting down there. We're gonna go over some of my favorite fall palettes, all that good stuff, hopefully coming up. But yeah, so there's stuff to look forward to. But if you made it to this point in the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. A couple things before you go. Remember to not be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic. Don't be transphobic. Don't be racist. There's so many better things to be doing with your time, your money, your energy. And I understand you do not understand it. And I understand you do not like it. But that is something for you to take a step back and reflect on and to do better on. It is 2024. Pull your head out of your ass. Okay? Okay. And remember to be taking care of you, to be getting enough food, enough water, enough nutrients, enough self-care days, to not be just, kissing other people's ass. Start kissing your own. Okay? Start doing things for yourself. Okay. So again, if you made it to this point in the video, thank you so much for watching. I love doing this. It's a lot of fun, and having you guys, enjoy my content it means a lot. So remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.